What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enter codes in Subway Surfers on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, launch Subway Surfers and navigate to your in-game settings by tapping on the gear icon on the top right. Here, make sure that you're logged in to your Game Center, Facebook or any other account, as redeemed codes might otherwise not be rewarded to your account. When this is done, you might notice that there is no option to enter codes from here. To enter codes, you will now have to close the game and open up your favorite browser. Navigate to subwaysurfers.com/redeem to get to this page. When visiting this page with your mobile device, you will be able to enter your code here and the items will be awarded to your account. When visiting this page with a desktop PC or laptop, then you will be prompted to scan a QR code with your mobile device, which will redirect you to this page on your iOS or Android device. All Subway Surfers codes can be found in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.